f5 he plays, but it's very, very wrong. Check. Wait, skewer. What? e5, king d5. I missed it here. King b4, king b4 with counterplay. But there is skewer, not. Maybe 3 d3, c2, b2, d2, 9. Wow, I missed it. Wow. It's not as simple. e5, king d5. Yeah, and if I play king b4, king d4 draw, but I have king d3. King d4, king d2. Okay. I mean, king d5, king d2. One more move, right? King a3. King b4 is also winning. King a3 is clearest way. Clearest way. Just blockade the pawn. But king b4. This one. There is the f5. It's also winning.